In this video, we discuss 100 major facts about the elements in chemistry. Hydrogen is the lightest and most abundant element in the universe. Helium is the second lightest element and is used in balloons. Lithium is commonly used in rechargeable batteries. Beryllium is a lightweight metal used in aerospace materials. Boron is used in heat-resistant glass and ceramics. Carbon is the basis of all known life on Earth. Nitrogen makes up 78% of Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen is essential for respiration and combustion. Fluorine is the most reactive and electronegative element. Neon is used in neon signs for advertising. Sodium reacts violently with water. Magnesium burns with a bright white flame. Aluminum is lightweight and used in construction and packaging. Silicon is a major component of sand and used in electronics. Phosphorus is used in fertilizers. Sulfur is used in the production of sulfuric acid. Chlorine is used to disinfect water. Argon is an inert gas used in light bulbs. Potassium is vital for cellular function. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth. Scandium is used in aerospace materials. Titanium is known for its high strength-to-weight ratio. Vanadium is used in making steel alloys. Chromium gives stainless steel its shine. Manganese is used in dry cell batteries. Iron is the most widely used metal in construction. Cobalt is used in magnets and rechargeable batteries. Nickel resists corrosion and is used in coins. Copper conducts electricity and heat well. Zinc prevents rusting of steel, galvanization. Gallium melts at just above room temperature. Germanium is used in semiconductors. Arsenic can be toxic in large amounts. Selenium is used in photocopiers. Bromine is a reddish-brown liquid at room temperature. Krypton is used in some types of photographic flashes. Rubidium ignites spontaneously in air. Strontium is used in fireworks for red color. Yttrium is used in LED lights. Zirconium is used in nuclear reactors. Niobium is used in superconducting materials. Molybdenum is used to strengthen steel. Technetium is the first artificially produced element. Ruthenium is used in electrical contacts. Rhodium is highly reflective and used in mirrors. Palladium is used in catalytic converters. Silver is the best conductor of electricity. Cadmium is used in rechargeable batteries. Indium is used in LCD screens. Tin is used to coat steel to prevent corrosion. Antimony is used in flame retardants. Tellurium is used in solar panels. Iodine is essential for thyroid function. Xenon is used in high-intensity lamps. Cesium is highly reactive and used in atomic clocks. Barium is used in X-ray imaging. Lanthanum is used in camera lenses. Cerium is used in self-cleaning ovens. Praseodymium is used in aircraft engines. Neodymium is used in powerful magnets. Promethium is used in luminous paint. Samarium is used in permanent magnets. Europium is used in color TV screens. Gadolinium is used in MRI contrast agents. Terbium is used in fluorescent lamps. Dysprosium is used in hard disk drives. Holmium has the highest magnetic strength. Erbium is used in fiber optic communication. Thulium is the least abundant of the rare earth elements. Ytterbium is used in atomic clocks. Lutetium is used in cancer treatment. Hafnium is used in nuclear control rods. Tantalum is used in capacitors. Tungsten has the highest melting point of all metals. Rhenium is used in jet engines. Osmium is the densest naturally occurring element. Iridium is used in spark plugs. Platinum is used in jewelry and catalytic converters. Gold is highly malleable and does not corrode. Mercury is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. Thallium is highly toxic. Lead was once widely used in paints and gasoline. Bismuth has a low toxicity compared to other heavy metals. Polonium is highly radioactive. Astatine is one of the rarest naturally occurring elements. Radon is a radioactive gas. Francium is extremely rare and highly radioactive. Radium was once used in luminous paint. Actinium is used in radiation therapy. Thorium can be used as nuclear fuel. Protactinium is highly radioactive. Uranium is used as nuclear fuel. Neptunium is a byproduct of nuclear reactors. Plutonium is used in nuclear weapons and reactors. Americium is used in smoke detectors. Curium is named after Marie Curie. Berkelium is named after Berkeley, California. Californium is used in neutron sources. Einsteinium is named after Albert Einstein. Fermium is named after Enrico Fermi. These facts cover unique properties, uses, and significant characteristics of chemical elements from the periodic table. Please like, subscribe, and share for more videos. Thank you.